guys, welcome back to Choose Your Own Path. So I just wanted to show you a couple of things that was being done. I painted up my dragon, gave him a little bit of a look, a little blue dragon. It's just hand painted. I didn't use the airbrush on this one and the other one too. So this is also a failed print. Failed is, I'm going to post up pictures before or after or whatever, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. The arms and the hands didn't print. They were all mushy. So what I did was I took pieces of, I had stuff like this, extras, and made him a cape. He has a cape because if you know the Spawn, Todd McFarlane's piece, he's always got a big red cape. And yeah, so what I did was I just added my own kind of cape to it and hid his arms. So it looks like it's draped over him. And then I just painted him to look like Spawn, I guess. That's pretty cool. It's a pretty small miniature, you know, half the size of my hand or a third of my hand. So that's done. That's done. We didn't have to paint this guy. He's all colorful. We tried a mask. All right, so this is a mask. This is the front end. You can see these where the eyes are going, and then it's supposed to be a skull coming down here. For some reason, it wouldn't print. Hence, that's what all this is from. Don't know what's going on. Maybe a corrupt file. Maybe it's just not done properly. It takes a lot of filament to do this, and I'm almost, well, I still got quite a bit on that roll, but we'll see if I'll continue the piece to go, and it just basically hung on the wall. It was something cool. Or coin holder, whatever, magnetic, that's done. The first guy we did, he's done. And then of course, our red dragon, which somebody pointed out this should have been a black dragon, but I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, we're going to figure out another project to do soon, so stay tuned. And if I can do it, you can do it. Choose your own path. Thanks for watching, guys.